Play-Doh and push it in where her face goes. Tinky Winky's purple, so we'll be using purple Play-Doh to fill in the rest of the mold. Make sure we push it in really well, and let's see how it turned out. Tinky Winky looks great! Now we just need some gray Play-Doh for her belly. Roll it out, cut it out, and put it on her belly. Eyes left, and that's it! Our Tinky Winky's all done! Next is Dipsy. Same thing, starting with white Play-Doh and then green Play-Doh, because everybody knows Dipsy's green. Let's see how Dipsy turned out. Dipsy looks good. Time to add some details. Gray for the belly and brown for the eyes. Looking good, Dipsy. Our next Teletubby is Lala. Starting with white and yellow. Make sure we push it in really well. And let's see how Lala turned out. That looks really good. Now let's add some detail. Lala turned out really nice. Our last Teletubby is definitely not least, and that's Po. Po is red. So let's use some white for the face and red to fill in the rest of the mold. And let's see. I love it! Now let's add some detail. And the eyes. Or there they are, our 4 Teletubbies. I really like how they turned out. But let's give them some props. Here we have mold for Dipsy's hat, Tinky Winky's purse, Lala's ball, and Po's scooter. Starting with Tinky Winky. We'll give her a purse. A red purse. Almost done. There you go. Now it's Dipsy's turn. First we're going to put black Play-Doh for the black spots on his hat. Then fill in the rest with white. Push in really well. And there we go. This turned out really nice. Here you go, Dipsy. I hope you like your new hat. Lala's next. We're going to make an orange ball for Lala using orange Play-Doh. Well, this one's going to be really easy. Almost done. And there it is. One orange ball coming right up. And now it's Po's turn. Po likes to ride on a scooter. So we'll give him a scooter using... Let's use blue Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, and gray Play-Doh. Let's see how it turned out. Here it is, Po. I think it looks great. Hopefully you like it too. All of our Teletubbies have their props now, and they all look really great. To turn your Teletubbies into ice cream, just put a popsicle stick underneath and press lightly so it sticks better. And that's it! Your Teletubbies Play-Doh ice cream is all ready now. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos